Introduction: Understanding VPNs.
Virtual private networks, or VPNs, are popular tools for online privacy and security. Yet, many myths surround their use. In this video, we'll debunk 5 of the most common VPN misconceptions, helping you understand what VPNs really do and what they don't. Let's clear the confusion and get the facts straight.
Myth 1. VPNs make you completely anonymous.
Many believe using a VPN makes them totally anonymous online. In reality, VPNs hide your IP address and encrypt your traffic, but they do not make you invisible. Websites can still track you using cookies and other methods. True online anonymity requires more than just a VPN.
Myth 2. All VPNs are equally secure.
It's a common misconception that all VPN services provide the same level of security. In fact, VPNs vary widely in their encryption standards, logging policies, and server quality. Some may even collect your data. Always research the reputation, security features, and privacy policies of any VPN before you use it.
Myth 3. VPNs slow down your internet drastically.
Many avoid VPNs fearing huge drops in speed. While encryption does add some overhead, modern VPNs are much faster than they used to be. With the right provider, most users experience only a minor slowdown. Factors include server distance, server load, and your original connection speed.
Myth 4. VPNs are only for tech experts or criminals.
VPNs are meant for anyone wanting improved privacy, not just hackers or tech-savvy users. They're easy to install, with simple apps for phones, tablets, and computers. Everyday people use VPNs to protect their data on public Wi-Fi, access region-restricted content, or safeguard their browsing habits.
Myth 5. VPNs alone guarantee online safety.
VPNs are a powerful privacy tool, but they are not a complete solution for cybersecurity. They can't protect you from malware, phishing attacks, or weak passwords. For total protection, combine a VPN with updated security software, strong passwords, and regular safe browsing habits.
Conclusion: get the real facts about VPNs.
By understanding these common VPN myths, you can make smarter choices about your online privacy and security. VPNs offer important benefits, but knowing their true capabilities and limitations is key. Always stay informed and use the right tools for a safer online experience.